Hi guys, welcome to GladdyTech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to create your Telegram account without your phone number. So if for some reasons you don't want to create your Telegram account with your phone number, what you have to do is this. Then let's go straight to any of the browser of your choice. So on your browser you're going to, let me go back. It popped out like this because I have typed it before. So what you're going to do is to look for free visual number. So when you tap on it, the next thing you have to do is to tap on the second option that says receive SMS online to visual number. So I'll be tapping on it. Okay. So what you have to do now is to scroll down and select any of the number here. I'll be going with the first number. Okay, let me tap on the first number here. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on the copy icon there in order to copy the number, and then you have to, so what I have to do is to reload the page and sign up to, in order to view my code after pasting my phone number on my Telegram. So what I have to do now is sign up, and after signing up I just have to view the code, then paste it on my Telegram. But take note, I just have to add my email and then password in order to log in and view the code that was sent to the phone number that I just used to create my Telegram account in order to log in. So, and take note that this phone number is temporal. I can easily change it anytime I want to, anytime I decide to add my real phone number. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.